Hi everyone. So the whole word of the year thing was pretty popular last year from what I saw, but I feel like the whole concept has very much so grown in popularity this year. I feel like everybody is talking about what their word of the year is, and even earlier today I've seen a few people like announcing or discussing what their word of the year is. And I didn't put too much thought to it, or like I didn't decide, am I going to have a word of the year? But every time I hear someone talking about it, all that comes to my mind is rest and restore. And so that is what I wrote on the last clip that I shared, well, the last story. So I guess my brain decided for me, since that is what comes to my mind. So rest to me is, I just want to focus on being with my family, enjoy our life, enjoy just being together, making memories together, and being content with where we are, with what we have. And then restore kind of coincides with rest. But for me personally, it is like a restoration of my health. So there you go. My words for the year, my mantra. I guess that's what I'm going with. I swear, like I feel like my brain chose it for me. Rest and restore. So, do you have a word for the year or a mantra or a quote or anything like that? If you do, let me know what it is because I would love to hear.